Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, HD radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.